traffic's about. Yep, they got gas. I don't know. Holy fuck.
We're gonna run out by the time we get there.
This is crazy.
Look by Jimmy's house.
Oh wow, man. That's all the line?
Yep.
Wow. Look at the line. Wow. We're sitting here with food and shit, man.
We'll start siphoning gas out of Jimmy's hand.
What? Wow, look at the gas line. This is the gas line. Wow, dude, it's like...
Yeah, I'm gonna save this gas for tomorrow. The pizza delivery guy.
Look at this shit.
See that shit? Pizza delivery guy.
Pizza delivery.
$49 each one. They could call for pizzas on SL.
They're making calls for pizza. Kind of delivered. There's Jimmy's house.
Piece of shit.
And it stops at Jimmy's house, the line.
Yep.
Holy shit. Wow, look at that. No way. That's hours of wait. Yeah.
That was the
Okay.
gecko.